All right, let's quickly review integers in a word problem. So we can see the temperature in Texas is 98 degrees, and we know that is a positive 98. It says a cold front rolls through, and the temperature drops 7 degrees. Okay, so we know that is a -7, a drop. And it says each day. So that word each means it's going to happen multiple times. So each is a multiplying word. And it says it's going to happen for 4 days. Okay. So we're going to drop 7 times 4. Or if you prefer to add, you could say day 1, it dropped 7. And day 2, it dropped 7. And day 3, it dropped 7, and day 4, it dropped 7. So if you prefer to multiply, you can multiply because each is a repeating word, meaning it's happening multiple times each. How many times is it happening? 4 days. And then again, if you don't like the multiplying, then you can just repeatedly subtract 7. All right, so what did we start with? Well, we started with our total of 98 degrees. So again, if we want to multiply here, this would be integer man. This is going to be -28. Okay, and that's how much it's going to drop. So we were at 98 total. Notice I label everything, and I'm going to drop that total of 28 degrees over 4 days, and I end up with positive 70. If you prefer the table over here where you're just adding and subtracting, you would say 98 is a positive, and then you have your 4 sevens, which are negatives or subtracts, and then you would end up with a positive 98 total and again 28 negative, and then positive would win because 98 is larger. And then we're doing the exact same thing. 98 minus 28 is, again, 70. So whichever method you prefer is totally fine, but your final answer would be 70. So again, this problem is all about vocabulary. Understanding drop was a negative. Each was a multiplying word. It's happening multiple times each. And then, again, over 4 days. So that is your refresher on integers.